Hello, my name is Richard Pettifer. Welcome to sunny Berlin. And this Sunday I am going to do the first of 3 lectures based around Hollywood film history. The first one this weekend is going to be the subgenre of horror film called the slasher film. It's a subgenre where a killer actually follows a final girl. And this final girl has specific great properties. She can overcome the killer and make herself into a type of hero, or what Carol J. Clover calls the victim hero. This is a specific type of character. We'll explore this character on Sunday and talk about whether this character has some properties that make her special, or is she just another male fantasy. And this short series of 3 lectures was supported by my colleagues at Culture Workers Studio and also public and private here in Fluggraben. You can attend personally here in Fluggraben, Berlin and Kreuzberg, or you can check it out online at YouTube, link which you will find in my Instagram page here. Look forward to seeing you there.